Guess what, everyone? The Tool Review Zone channel has a new Discord.
That's right. If you like the TRZ channel or you just want to hang out with a bunch of people that love power tools, well, this is the place for you. And instead of waiting for me to go live all the time so you can talk to each other, well, now you can do it without me involved at all.
All right, so let me show you how this works. When you first come to the Tool Review Zone Discord channel, which is 100% free, by the way, I'll put a link in the description below of this video, you're going to get a cool little welcome message. Check that out. Hi, John Rice. Welcome to the Tool Review Zone. From there, you can head over to the rules section. If you click on this, it'll tell you, be kind to each other. But that's where the boring stuff ends. If you go over here to the videos, just click it. You'll see all the new TRZ videos that are posted. Live streams, when we do a live stream, you'll see those posted as well. And anytime the TRZ channel posts something, such as on Twitter, you'll see this here as well. So Twitter, you'll see those go live. Now, that's not the only thing. What's really cool about this is that if you're used to talking to somebody on the channel, say John Rice talks to Charlie Metcalf. Well, if they want to talk personally, or if everybody wants to talk, instead of waiting for a live stream, you can simply go to the text room down here. You can say memes, which we got one right here. I like that a lot. Thank you. And then you can go down to general chat room, which if you all wanted to talk at the same time, I don't even have to be on. You can go in there, type, talk about the newest, coolest tools that you just bought or whatever. And that's going to allow you to do that there. You can post pictures and all that good stuff. The bot comments, you can come down here and type in commands if you want to find something on the page, or maybe if you want to play music. We're working on that, but that's a possibility. But what I really like about this is if you want to talk personally to somebody face to face, maybe King of the Crease wants to talk to Michael Fairchild, well, all he has to do is come down here and click on the voice channels, and then you can click on that and you'll see what will happen is it'll open up. Your face will pop up right here. Your invite, you click on that. You type in whoever you want, or if you want to just go to that person and then right click on their name, hit message, you can personally talk to them straight out, one-on-one, face-to-face, which is really cool. Now we have 3 of those chat rooms here. We have 1, 2, and 3. So more than one person can get on and talk to somebody else if they want. The other cool thing about this, you can disconnect, you can shut off your audio, you can shut off your video, or you can share your screen with them. So if you want to show somebody a really cool tool on the Home Depot site or Acme Tools or wherever, you can click share your screen, show that person your screen, show them where the deals are or whatever you want to show them, as long as it's clean. And I think that's really cool. Now we do have moderators on the channel. Thank you for being a moderators. And if you want to come down here, you just click on this, and only moderators will be able to enter that room. Members will not be able to. And you can type to each other if there's something going on, or if you have a question or whatever, you can go in that room, and only the moderators are able to access that room. You can see that little lock right there, and read the comments inside. And then the administration room, that's only for administrators, people that run the Discord. Now, I posted this to the members on the TRZ channel first. You can see some of them are already on here. If you want to talk to them, you can right click. You can go to all this stuff right here. If you're a moderator, it gives you different options on how to maybe block somebody or boot somebody if they're just being mean to the community or saying bad words or nasty words or posting, dirty videos. But again, if I wanted to call them, you can just right click on their name, call, message. You can mention them, their profile. Maybe they have a Discord. You can disable their video. You can mute them, change nickname, which I would not do unless it is very nasty. You can add a friend. You can block them. You can kick, or you can ban. So please keep it clean. The moderators, I'd hate to see them do that, but if somebody comes in causing trouble with the members, we don't want that, and they have the permission to do so. But really what this allows us to do is become more of a tight-knit community. People like to talk to each other, especially on the channels, talking about new tools or why they don't like a certain tool or what tool they think is better. Maybe they got a new tool and they want to share a picture or a meme or something. Now you can do that right here, and it's really, really cool. So again, if you want to go into a general chat, if you want to start a conversation, just go into that general chat room right here. If we need to add more, we will add more, and you can just start typing away and people can respond, add pictures, memes, whatever. If you want to just add the memes here, again, I like this one here. A lot of people don't like my battery adapter. Bot commands, and then your personal private video chat. So I think it's really cool. I think this is a great thing for the channel and really bring everybody closer together. I know people enjoy talking to each other on the live streams and such, but now this gives them an opportunity where they don't have to wait for a live stream. They do not have to wait for me to come on. They can come on and talk to each other and do whatever they want to do and talk about whatever they want to talk about. It doesn't even have to be tools. As long as it's clean, it's not, you know, harassing anybody, whatever. But I really think that you're going to have fun on this. So again, I will leave a link in the description below. It's 100% free. I don't even think you have to have an account, but if you do need to sign up for Discord, it's free, it's cheap, it doesn't cost you a thing, and it's very easy. All you got to do is put in your email address and your username, and then you can join as a member. So again, I will leave this link in the description below for the Discord, the Tool Review Zone Discord. I appreciate all of you stopping by. If you think this is pretty cool, please smash that like button, get subscribed, hit that bell notification, and come join over here so you don't miss out on all the fun.